just be. Don't take it. Take it, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a and take a break or a little vacation.
This wig right here is the truth. And the lie detector determines this is the wig. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better. You know, keep your head up, ooh, child. Things are gonna get easier. That was for whoever may be going through a hard time right now. All right, y'all. So I love this wig. It's no secret. I came on singing, acting up. Y'all already know what that means. I love the wig. But today's video is sponsored by Xrsbeauty. This is my first time working with this company, and I hope they want to work together again because this wig is bomb.com. It is just beautiful. It's so full. It's so full. The hair is so soft. Like, it's just everything. Everything. Okay? No, but seriously, the only con I would have to say about this wig is that it was a little too big for your girl. But that's not really a con, more of a personal preference. My head size is a 22, and I did have to go in and adjust the straps in the back, and I'm also wearing my wig grip. So other than that, I don't have no complaints about this wig. Like, we is serving Scalp. Your girl has not lost it. You know, I'm a little bit out of touch because I've been gone for a minute, but this wig is so beautiful. I love the hair. It does come with a 5x5 closure, and it's more than enough parting space to wear a left, a middle, or a right part. Or you can even cock it to the side if you want a deep left part or a deep right part. Whatever, it's your wig, boo. Do what you want to do, but watch my shoes, okay? I ain't got no shoes on or no pants on, so watch my feet. No, I got a t-shirt dress on. But sometimes I record without no pants on. Hello, don't nobody know but me and God. The lace did come really light, but all I did was add some of my pressed powder, and it's blended in so well. The hairline is good. It did come pre-plucked, but you can go in and pluck it some more to your liking. Y'all know I'm not plucking nothing. Okay, unless the hairline is really dense, but this hairline is not dense at all. The parting space, I just added some pressed powder, and we is good to go. I did shampoo and deep condition this hair. I did receive a little bit of shedding while shampooing and deep conditioning the hair. I received some mild snags as well, but as you can see, baby, and I told y'all, when I love a wig, I just let it speak for itself. This wig is beautiful. Like, these curls, get into this loose wave. This is only 20 inches. I should have got it longer. Goodness, so I can show out for my birthday. It's almost my birthday. I'm about to be 33 years old. And yes, I'm about to get all the comments. Oh, you don't look 33. That's why I wear wigs and makeup, so I can look older. Just joking, but no, honestly, no complaints. Xrsbeauty did that. And I want to work together again, so email me. Once again, I would like to send a big thank you to Xrsbeauty for sponsoring today's video. Remember, all of their information will be listed down below, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site. And I do believe they sent me a coupon code, so make sure you check that out as well. Because baby, we are slaying all 2021 and beyond. Hey, y'all like that? Yeah, I like that. Nah, y'all ain't ready. Did y'all miss my singing? Y'all miss my rapping? Ooh, this is a lot of her. I'm gonna show off on the island of Oahu. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that big red button down below to subscribe to my channel, because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. And just know your girl will be back with the clickety clack clacks very soon, okay? So get ready, all right? Right now, I'm just clack. I'm not clickety clacking, I'm just clack, okay? Get ready. I love y'all. Have a great day. The current situation does not determine your future. You never fail until you stop trying. Those are my favorite sayings. Hopefully it was able to touch someone else the way it has touched my life. Thank y'all. I love y'all. And I'm out.
I've been trying to get my weight